What's up, YouTube? Wanted to make another quick video showing my 2021 Cavalry Blue Toyota Tundra. As you guys can see, I've done plenty of modifications to it. Here's the front. It's got the TRD Pro grille from Toyota. I also did the vinyl color match emblem. Everything is OEM. The headlights are TRD Pro from Sparks Toyota as well, OEM. So you guys can see it's a beautiful, beautiful truck. The reason for this video is I wanted to show you guys the complete Bilstein suspension that I upgraded my truck to. You guys can see it has the new Bilstein's upper control arms. Got the 6112 Bilstein coilover kit. Got the fuel assault 20x9 offset 20 with the 285 60 R20 middle ridge grapplers. Give the truck a beautiful stance. Black badges from factory. The back, I have the Bilstein's 5100s with a 1-inch block. So this is a side view of my truck. So you guys can see the stance of it. So it's 2.5 inches from the front, 1 inch in the back. This is the back right here. Color match bumpers. Love this truck. If you guys have any questions regarding the suspension, how it rides, let me know. Like I said, it rides amazing. Very smooth ride, not stiff at all. It's perfect. Had it for a few weeks now and I have absolutely zero issues. So again, let me know what you think. And as always, subscribe if you want to see any more videos, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.